Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of the new 2024 Amazon Fire HD8. This one is the 3GB version, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage. There's also a 4GB of RAM version. So I believe the last time they made these was in 2022, I want to say, which I still have mine. I have the Plus, which was actually kind of like what this one is now, where it has 3GB of RAM. So we still have an HD processor. This is not full HD. In order to get that, you need to get the 10 or the 11. It has a hexa-core processor in it. Of course, it has rear and front cameras. Up to 1 terabyte expansion if you want it with a micro SD, just like the last generation. Still has Amazon A, of course, and then long-lasting battery life. I believe they now say 13 hours, up to 13 hours, and still has Dolby Atmos as well. And just like pretty much every other generation, at least for the past while, this is what we get when you get out of the box itself. Come back to the tablet in just a second here. So if this will come out, okay, so you still do get the charging brick, whatever you want to call it. Then it is USB-C to USB-A. This is only about 5 watts, so it is very, very small, and it's going to charge this device up pretty slow. And here is the tablet itself. For some reason, it's not showing up very well on my camera here. This green is very emerald green. This is a very, very nice green. I don't know why my camera is not showing off very well. There's also a nice texture to it, similar to how the last generation's Plus versions were. It has that nice texture to it. It's not just a smooth back. It has some texture. Of course, you have the smile, have the front-facing camera. We have the front-facing camera, rear-facing camera. Then we have power button, volume rocker, mic, USB Type-C, and headphone jack. Here we have the SD card slot expansion up to 1 terabyte. Nothing on the bottom. We have dual speakers or stereo speakers. They always sound pretty decent. They're just not usually the loudest, being a pretty small device. So yeah, there we go. Like I said, just unboxing here. Stay tuned. I'll be making a decent amount of videos on this. We'll be doing some comparisons here, and hopefully we'll be able to get the Google Play Store on this guy like we usually can do. So I'll be making a video on that as well, as long as it works. Yeah, and like I said, this emerald green looks way different in real life than it does through the camera for some reason. It looks very, very good. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time.